Hi guys, so for this next part we are going to start to experiment with a variation of styles of fonts. So here we have looked at layering fonts, just kind of normal handwriting, switching between lowercase and uppercase. Now we're going to get a little bit more creative so that it enhances your portrait even more. So I am looking for at least 3 different types of font. So the first thing I am going to do, again, just ruler width. It's okay if yours is slightly smaller. I am going to draw 3 boxes. Again, if you wish to experiment that a little bit more, then you are more than welcome to do so. That is not a problem. But make sure you focus on getting 3 fonts. Now, one thing I do want to say is if you have a very short name, for example, if it is Tom or Chloe, perhaps a 3, 4, even 5-word name, then what you can do is you can even write going from A to G or A to H if you wanted to experiment with, obviously, the kind of different lettering in there. It does not have to be your name. If you have a long name and you wish to experiment with that, then you are more than welcome to. So again, you can just experiment with individual letters on their own. Again, I'm looking for 3 variations in font, and I'm looking for 8 letters per font. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So again, it can be your name. So for example, Ashley has 8 letters, so I might just write it all the way across, or I might just go from A kind of onwards, or I might want to randomly pick my letters. That is entirely up to you. Attached to the task, you will see a variety of different fonts. So they're just kind of as a JPEG file. One thing I would definitely recommend, you are able to use your device for this, so your laptop, you can see I have my phone here. If you go onto Google and you type in da font, then we will click on that page. It will come up and you can see a whole variety of fonts here. Now, if I was to zoom in, you can be really specific in the types of font that you want. So whether it's cartoon, comic, if you are looking for some medieval fonts, if you're looking for graffiti, etc. There's lots and lots of different fonts that you can choose from here if you wish. So again, what I am going to do, let's go with, we'll see what some graffiti fonts look like. So again, you might want to have some that are a little bit kind of easier, a little bit neater. I'm going to go for this one here. So if you click on the font, what you are then able to see is all of the letters that go from A all the way down to Z. So it kind of gives you your own little step-by-step to work with that there. So again, it is da font. If you just Google it, Safari, whatever your browser may be, da font, and then you can narrow down your selection there.